Hello everyone, it's another edition of Victor Isibo Reviews. First timers on this YouTube channel, you're welcome to this YouTube channel. Here we help you with due diligence and feasibilities with make money online or offline opportunities, okay, with the safety of your money and capital in mind. If stuff like this is what you enjoy, feel free to subscribe to the YouTube channel so that you can become a member of the community. Okay, and to my returning subscribers and viewers, salute. It's a pleasure having you back on this YouTube channel. Today, we are going to be reviewing cotpsnet. Okay, cotps.net and cotps.com as well. Before I begin this review, let me put up a disclaimer in my typical fashion. I'm not an investment advisor. Do not take this as financial advice. My mission is not to discourage you from investing. As a matter of fact, my mission is to acquaint you with the risk involved in any opportunity you are interacting with. Okay, that being said, if you are interested in cotpsnet, you will find my referral link in the description of this video. After getting that out of the way, let us look at cotps.net. Now let me quickly say this. cotps.net is the more robust website where you have the about section, where you get to see the team behind the project. Okay, cotps.com, okay, it's also the same company, but that is the exchange proper. Okay, so basically guys, this is a cryptocurrency exchange platform. Okay, operating on OTC basis, OTC, over the counter trading basis. Okay, they have an artificial intelligence algorithm, that helps people within the exchange to leverage on fluctuations in prices of USDT. Okay, somebody wants to buy USDT at a particular price, and the algorithm, will match that person with you if you want to sell. So how much you bought that USDT when you bought. Then you look at the offer that person is making. If you're going to be in profit, then you sell to them. Okay, so the algorithm brings buyers and sellers, brings buyers to meet sellers, and so that they can profit from variations in prices of the most stable cryptocurrency, USDT. That's what they do basically. So they are a crypto exchange, just like Binance, just like Bitrex. That's what they say. And these matchings, okay, these buyer to seller matchings that the algorithm does, it happens every 2 hours. So every 2 hours you have the opportunity to trade and make some profit, basically. So I do not want this video to be too long, because if we continue to interact with the website word for word, it's going to be too long. So we keep scrolling. Okay, now these modus operandi of COTPS is what this long talk is trying to explain to you. So we just keep scrolling. They're talking about their artificial intelligence algorithm, how it automatically allocates the best orders for you. They have a KYC, of course, which is a no-brainer, because we're talking about a cryptocurrency exchange here, and they are using Jumnio, to verify the identities of anybody who's interacting with the website. Okay, they talk about having wallets, warm, hot, cold wallets. Okay, and we keep going. And they talk about digital currency. They talk about OTC, okay, which is the abbreviation of over-the-counter business. Okay, we keep going, and say this is the CEO, Jane Jenny. They also have Van Fleet. They also have Lisa, who is said to be the chief operating officer. Okay, they have a CEO interview video where it's a man that is speaking. I don't understand why the CEO, as clearly stated here, is a lady, and it's a man that is speaking in that video, and they say it's the CEO interview video. I don't understand why we have that discrepancy. Okay, I don't understand why it's this man that is speaking as the CEO. I mean, where is Jane Jenny? Okay, I've begun my counterpunch on this particular website. I'm counterpunching now. I'm seeing that Jane Jenny is written as the CEO, and the so-called CEO video is somebody who is not even on the team at all that was listed. So I do not know how what this is about. That's a discrepancy.
Hello, members of the global community. I am Dariush, the Technical Director of COP Exchange. It's a great honor to be here to discuss HFT models and future trends for digital assets with you. Let's protect the future path of wealth together. As we know,
So the video eventually played. I had a hard time, playing that video because of network issues. Like you can see here, they said it's a CEO interview video. That's what they said. Okay, and eventually when we played the video, this man introduced himself as Dariush, the technical director. Okay. Why did they say CEO interview video and the person speaking claims to be the technical director? Could it be that they could not find somebody that looks like this, exactly like this? Or maybe they could not find the owner of this picture to come and speak? Because now you say you're doing a CEO interview video. I'm expecting that your CEO should be the one speaking. And now it's somebody of a different gender introducing himself as a technical director, because they know that if he claims to be CEO as well, it's going to be a huge conspicuous discrepancy. That's my first and major red flag, guys. And who introduces themselves as Dariush? Dariush who? Dariush who? I mean, it's not professional. Is this an act of unprofessionalism? No, it could be deliberate. Because this young man knows that if he says, for instance, his name is Dariush Abraham, I'll go on Google and try to check if he has any LinkedIn, Instagram, or Facebook page. So it's best he just calls himself Dariush, making my search impossible. Okay? If you don't know, typically in the past, there are plenty of CEO videos. If you go on fiverr.com, there are people who will volunteer to answer any name you want them to answer, wear a suit, and act like they are the CEO of your platform. In the past, we have seen the same actors claiming to be CEOs under different names in different platforms. Same face, different names, different platforms. I am suspecting this is the case here, that this is just another random actor claiming to be CEO. The monies held in storage is insured up to a maximum of 250,000 USD per customer. These are documentations. Money service business. They said they are registered as money service business MSB with the FinCEN, and they back it all up by putting their MSB registration number, which I'm going to copy real quick, and click on the search. Click on the search button here so that we can search that number out on the website of FinCEN to see if they're really registered as a money service business. Okay, money service business registration. So I'll just put that number I copied, I'll paste it there, and without further ado, I'll click on search. Of course, you can see that of a truth that this company is registered with FinCEN, like we're on the official website of FinCEN, where they register money service businesses. You see, Crypto's OTC Trading Platform Limited, the number that they dropped on their website actually redirects to, actually shows that that is their registration number with FinCEN. I continue my counterpunch by scrolling down a little, and let us look at a disclaimer that is on the FinCEN website. Okay, they are saying here that the inclusion of a business on the MSB Money Services Business Registrant search web page is not a recommendation, a certification of legitimacy, or endorsement of the business by any government agency. Now, here is the FinCEN telling you that do not throw caution to the wind simply because we registered these people as a money services business. You have to do your due diligence, and this is not us telling you that they are legitimate. Now, let me give you an example so that you will understand this disclaimer clearly. Every business has a form of union and registration requirements. Those who operate drugstores, of course, they have unions. In my country, even if you're selling engine oil, you have unions. You pay monthly or yearly dues as a member of the union. You're selling biscuits, there's a union for biscuit sellers. There's a union for every business. They have scheduled meetings. They talk about how to move their union forward. Now, the fact that you are registered as an engine oil seller, maybe engine oil association, you are a registered member, it doesn't guarantee that you are legitimate. It doesn't vouch for your character or your transparency. You're doing that business, then you have to come under the umbrella of the union. Doesn't mean that the union is saying that you're legitimate. The fact that I'm saying that somebody is my friend does not mean I'm vouching for them, that you can throw caution to the wind and do business with them. The fact that I am saying that this person is my relative does not mean that I'm endorsing them. That is what FinCEN is saying. That anybody offering money services business should come under our umbrella. There are requirements. Bring so and so papers and boom, we register you. We are not investigating the people that own it, if they have past or present criminal records. No. We're just registering them as a business. To further buttress this point I'm making, together let us read this information. Okay? It said the information contained on this site has been provided by the money services business registrant. FinCEN does not verify information submitted by the MSB. Before one network marketer will come and tell you another thing, FinCEN does not verify information submitted by the money services business. They don't verify the information. They are saying it themselves. Information provided on this site reflects only what was provided directly to FinCEN. Okay? If an error or incomplete information is detected on this site, the registrant should follow the appropriate instructions for correcting a registration of money services business form. Guys, they have told you that they register money services businesses based on the information that the money services businesses company comes to give to them. Yeah, we do this, okay. We do that, okay. We'll register you. So they are telling you that no network marketer should use this registration certificate as a claim of legitimacy of this business. Yeah, that's what they're telling you. So this does not show that they are legitimate. Nope. Because those that registered them told us right now that they don't even confirm the information provided to them. They don't investigate it. Okay, so that is what FinCEN is telling you. Okay, and back to their website real quick. They said that Jane Jenny is their CEO. Okay, I have combed the internet looking for Jane Jenny. I found nothing. No Instagram, no LinkedIn. The LinkedIn I found belongs to someone else. I do not want to expose their details here in this video. I would have shown you the LinkedIn profile that I found. The Instagram page that I found, fashion model, not this person. Okay, no Van Fleet anywhere on the internet. Then this one, the chief operating officer, Lisa. Obviously, by writing just Lisa, it has shown that they don't even want us to look for her, because they know it's not going to be possible. The ones with surname self, we didn't find them, let alone this one that doesn't have a surname. I'm sure that there are over 300 million Lisas in the world. Okay, the video, the CEO interview video, it's a man that is talking, but they told us that a woman is the CEO. I don't understand. Okay, another thing with the services that they are offering is that I do not know how many people are interacting with the exchange at the moment, where they are able to match orders every 2 hours. I do not know how many members are operating on this particular exchange that makes available, trading opportunities every 2 hours. I mean, I feel that exchanges that have loads of traders, yeah, there's going to be lots of trades. I do not know the capacity of COTPS at the moment that allows trades every 2 hours. Okay. Then another thing is that trading every 2 hours, that's 12 trades per day. It is not feasible for you to earn all the promised percentage, say 3% per day, on this platform, because you can't be available 247 to be trading 12 times per day. Every 2 hours there's a window of opportunity. You have to sleep, you have to do some other things. And I must quickly note that some WhatsApp groups, some teams, because this has some form of network marketing with it, they are coming up with robots that can help you to take trades every 2 hours while you're busy doing something else. Now, this is not COTPS providing the robot. No, this is your upline and your genealogical ancestors coming up with a bot. And some groups are charging for it, that it will help you to be trading this thing every 2 hours while you sleep. Okay, let us do a quick who is check. Okay, on cotpsnet, you find out that it was registered October the 2nd, 2021. Okay, then let us look at the exchange registration details. The exchange itself, cotps.com, was registered March the 14th, 2019. Okay, let me give you a feel of what the exchange looks like. Okay, this is the exchange, where interact with the deals themselves. Okay, the trading and the everything all happens here, while the other website that we were interacting with is the one that is more robust. Okay, so basically, let's go back to the website where I dropped my thoughts. Now, here is the part you have been waiting for, where I give my conclusion on this website, the pros and the cons. Yeah, let us start with the good news, the pros. The pro is the fact that I like what they claim to be doing. Okay, because OTC trading is something that a lot of people are doing independently, and you can make some legitimate money from OTC when you do it by yourself. Okay, I like that, but I do not know about any robot that helps people to do OTC. I don't know. Okay, so that's the first pro. The second pro is the fact that I like that they went through the trouble of going to register with the money services business with FinCEN. I like that they went through that trouble. Now, let me tell you the things that I do not like. The thing that I do not like, first of all, is the fact that they said that they were going to show us a CEO video. Now, the CEO is Jenny. I was expecting to see a woman. Then all of a sudden, I see a man who goes by the name Darius, introducing himself as the technical director. If you want to show us a technical director video, tell us technical director video. Don't tell us CEO video and you're showing us a technical director who leaves only his first name. I don't know if he doesn't have a surname or he doesn't want to be traced. Darius, that's all. I mean, that's it. Now, the same thing I called a pro, the fact that they registered with money services business, I'm going to call it a con here, because network marketers want to try to claim that the platform is legitimate just because they registered as a money services business. Meanwhile, those that registered them have stated clearly that it's not a claim of legitimacy. As a matter of fact, they don't even try to investigate or verify information given to them as at the point of registration. Meaning that it is your responsibility before you interact with this website to make due diligence and findings before you commit your money to it. Because FinCEN will not be held responsible for your financial decisions if things go bad. Okay? And another con is that, the management team, they don't exist. And even the Mr. Darius looks like an actor while presenting himself as the technical director. Okay? All these red flags does not tell you not to interact with the website. No, you can invest with them. Okay? I'm doing the same thing too, but I have a clear-cut exit strategy and I know what I'm doing, and I'm not going to be greedy. Invest only what you can afford to lose. That is what I always preach. I don't tell you don't invest. I've never said that. All I say is invest only what you can afford to lose. Even when I tell you don't interact with this website, I am only being emotional. The real message is use your head when you are investing. I have a Telegram group where I share opportunities that I'm interacting with. I'll leave it in the comments section below, and also in the description of this video. Feel free to join the Telegram. I'll be sharing my latest videos there, and I'll also be sharing my ideas about finances and stuff all on that group. Okay, so on a scale of 1 to 10, where do I place COTPS? I'll give them a 4. I'm giving them a 4 because they bothered to go and register with money services business. That's just it. That's all. And the fact that I like their modus operandi. Okay, so this business is semi-high risk. Okay, semi-high risk, but I'm taking the risk. And if you want to take the risk as well, use my referral link in the description of this video. I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a like so that the YouTube algorithm will recommend it to more and more people. Share this video within your social media circle. Subscribe to this YouTube channel if you haven't done so at this point. Till I see you in the next video, I remain Victor Isibo. It is bye for now.